Hey everyone, Mossy Ranch Backyard Farm here. It is September, we're here in a sea of beans. Wanted to remind you guys to keep up on picking your beans. I haven't done that. They're still producing really well, but beans are kind of like cucumbers. They stop producing once you stop picking or picking as often. But this year I grew some French fillets and Romano beans. That's what I like. I do the French fillets. I like to can them, and the Romanos are my favorite for eating. This is my dinner that I picked to go with my salad. I like this combination of the yellow French fillets with the purple, even though the purples, they turn a bright green when you cook them. But here's my Romanos. I like the meatiness. They're almost meaty. I really like to just cook them and just put some olive oil, and you can do olive oil and lemon, I love, but also I love olive oil and a little bit of mint. Try it out. Romano beans, real meaty, delicious. They can be a meal in itself. But bush beans, here I have a whole bed full. I have just mix and match because I just think the plant itself is really pretty, and I planted them as a skirt to my sunflowers. And I think, like if you have a spot, you want to grow some annuals that have some pretty flowers, have a couple different colors of beans to it. I think it's a great combination in the landscape. So try to grow beans. Look, these ones are going up my sunflowers here. Grow some beans in your yard. Beautiful landscape plant, and they're edible too. Until next time.